Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Have you ever needed to make a lot of folders really fast? Maybe for school, work, or to organize your files, but you don't want to keep clicking new folder over and over? Well, I'll show you an easy trick to do it with just one file. Today, I'm going to show you how to create multiple folders at once. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop or inside a folder where you want to create your new folders. Choose New, then Text Document. You can name it anything for now. Now open the text document. Type this line, @echo_off. This hides extra stuff from showing when your file runs. Next, type this, MD. This means make directory, which is just a fancy way of saying make a folder. After MD, type your folder name. For example, MD folder 1. If your folder name has spaces, put it in quotation marks, like this, folder 2 with space. If you want to make a subfolder, a folder inside another folder, type the / and the subfolder name, like this. Folder 3 subfolder. Now go to File, then click Save As. In the box, type a name for your file, but make sure it ends with .bat. For example, create folders, .bat. Next, in the Save As type box, choose All Files, then click Save. Now close the text document. Find the file you just saved and double-click it. Boom. Your folders are made instantly. If you added subfolders, they'll show up inside the main folder too. And that's it. You just made folders automatically with a batch file. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.